Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how to add divider in Notion. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Breaking up contents on a page can help you separate distinct sections and ideas. So dividers are a good way to distinguish these sections and add some stylistic flair to your page. The simplest, fastest way to insert a line in Notion is by shortcut. All you need to do is type 3 dashes and your divider will appear automatically. Another fast way to insert a divider in Notion is to type a slash followed by div, then just click enter. You can also follow these steps to add a line. Hover over the left hand side margin where your line of text begins, click on the plus button to add a new contents block, then scroll through the basic block section and click on divider. This will add a horizontal line that will visually divide your contents. You can drag and drop these dividers just like any other block on your page.